If you're seeing Epic Games error code IS-IN-MF01-32-32, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step, so you can get back to downloading, installing, and playing without wasting time guessing what went wrong. This error is usually caused by a temporary launcher issue, a bad connection, low disk space, a file problem, or another download already running in the background. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, completely close the Epic Games launcher. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully shut down. If you want to be extra safe, you can also open Task Manager and check that Epic Games Launcher isn't still running in the background. A fresh restart often clears temporary glitches that trigger this error, so after closing it, go ahead and restart your PC. This simple step can fix a surprising number of Epic Games issues because it resets stuck processes and refreshes your system connection. After your computer restarts, open File Explorer and check your disk space. If your drive is almost full, Epic Games may fail to download or install content properly. You want to make sure you have enough free space for the game or update you're trying to install. If storage is low, free up some room by deleting unused files, emptying the recycle bin, or moving large files to another drive. Even if the error looks like a launcher issue, low disk space can absolutely cause installation failures. Next, make sure no other download or install is running at the same time. If Epic Games is already downloading another title, patch, or update, that can conflict with the current process and trigger this error code. Open the launcher and check your library, download queue, and any active installs. Pause or cancel anything that may be interfering, then try the original download or install again. Keeping only one Epic Games process active at a time can often clear the problem immediately. Now let's check your internet connection. A stable network is very important here. If your connection is weak, dropping out, or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot, Epic Games may fail to communicate properly with its servers. Try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi, moving closer to your router, or restarting your modem and router. If possible, use a wired connection for the most stable result. You can also test another website or service to confirm your internet is working normally. If your network is unstable, fixing that may be the real solution behind the error. The next step is to verify your game files, if the game is already partially installed, or if the launcher is throwing the error during an update. In Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, find the game, click the three dots, and choose Manage. Then select Verify. This will scan the installed files and repair any missing or corrupted data. Corrupted files are one of the most common reasons a launcher refuses to continue, so this step is very important. Let the verification finish completely before testing the game again. After that, you should update Epic Games Launcher itself. An outdated launcher can cause compatibility problems and strange error codes like this one. Close the launcher, then reopen it and let it check for updates automatically. If needed, you can also download the latest version directly from Epic Games. Updating ensures you have the newest fixes, better stability, and improved server communication. In many cases, just getting the newest version resolves installation and sign-in problems instantly. If you've gone through all of those steps and the error still appears, try signing out of Epic Games and signing back in. Sometimes account authentication or a temporary session issue can cause the launcher to behave incorrectly. Logging out and back in refreshes your session and can help restore normal functionality. After signing in again, try the download or install one more time. At this point, one of those fixes should get rid of Epic Games error code IS-IN-MF01-32-32. The main things to remember are fully close the launcher, restart your PC, check disk space, make sure no other install is running, confirm your internet is stable, verify your game files, and update the launcher. Those are the most effective solutions for this specific error. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming fixes, PC troubleshooting, and step-by-step tutorials. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment with exactly where the error happens and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.